Hello everyone. So today we're going to explain what is advanced product quality planning. So it builds quality before production. So first of all, we need to know what is advanced product quality planning, that is APQP. So it is a structured quality planning framework that ensures products meet the customer requirements from concept to mass production. So advanced product quality planning, it is a structured quality planning approach that ensures the products meet the customer requirements from concept to mass production. Now we need to understand that what is the purpose of advanced product quality planning? What is the purpose? The main goal is to defect prevention, not detection. Detection is not target. Target is you have to prevent the defects so that you can save the cost, time, and reward across the product life cycle. Now, who uses advanced product quality planning? It is widely used in automotive industry, manufacturing, aerospace engineering, and supplier industries to ensure consistent, reliable product launches. Hello, this is Surajit Banerjee, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. Now, I am moving into the 5 different phases of advanced product quality planning. What are the 5 different phases involved in advanced product quality planning so that you can launch your product into the market? So the phase one is plan and define the program. First of all, you need to define the program. For that, you need to focus on the voice of customers. Feasibility study, product timing, and cross-functional alignment is needed for a strong start in advanced product quality planning. So you need to plan and define the program. This is the first phase. Now the phase two is product design and development. For that, we use basically design FME, that is called design failure mode and effects analysis. In the design stage, we use design FME. To understand, we basically here anticipate what could go wrong in the design phase. And accordingly, we basically design so that, and we select the material accordingly so that we can eliminate any kind of design failures at the early stage. Regarding DFME, I have made a separate video. You can check the video from our YouTube channel. Now I'm moving into the process design. Phase number 3 is the process design and development. In this phase, we use process FMEA, PFMEA, that is a process failure mode and effects analysis, process flow diagrams and control plans and layout planning for a stable manufacturing process. Because in the design stage, you basically take care of the design stages. But in the process stage, you have to also do some analysis that is called the process FMEA, so that you can anticipate what could go wrong in my process. And accordingly, you design your process, you design your process flow diagram so that you can always meet the product's quality to the customer specifications. That is the phase number 3. Now I'm moving into phase number 4, that is the product and process validation. Now you have used design FMEA, process FMEA, but you have to validate whether your product and process can meet the requirements of the customers or not. And for that, you have to validate by using some tools that is called the measurement system analysis, MSA, statistical process control, 7QC tools are there, production approval process before the launch of the product. Regarding MSA, SPC, production approval process, I have made separate videos in my YouTube channel. You can go and check all these videos. You will get detailed understandings of all these tools. Now I'm moving into phase number 5, that is the feedback and continuous improvement. Now you have done certain improvements, but you have to take continuous feedback from your customers so that accordingly you can take the corrective actions for continuous improvement. So you need to monitor production data, customer feedback, and corrective actions need to be taken accordingly for the ongoing improvement. Now, the key APQP deliverables. It includes certain tools, that is a DFMEA, PFMEA, control plan, process flow diagram, MSA, SPC, and production approval process documents for quality assurance. Now, what are the benefits of advanced product quality planning? It ensures on-time launch. It reduced defects. It lowers the cost. It improves customer trust and the faith and sustain the quality performance. For all these reasons, we need to use advanced product quality planning. It's a framework. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video, and comments below with your thoughts on advanced product quality planning. And subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful content. And join our WhatsApp community You can join our WhatsApp community specifically designed for all the Lean Six Sigma persons, so that you learn, you will get everything for free in our community, and you can grow and learn Lean Six Sigma from our community itself. And thank you for being part of this journey with the Lean Six Sigma world. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.